pineapple under the sea.
What the hell?
Hello, beautiful angels.
You doing what?
Hello. How you doing now? Please, where you guys coming from? As soon as fine. Please, I want to talk to you. You know, I'm a philanthropist. And, I read English language.
Alright.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
What is your discipline?
Computer science. Oh, sorry.
Where is the guy? Hello, bro.
Yo, Aga, what do you want, sir?
Do you say what I hear?
What I get water now?
Wait. Listen here. I have money here.
I don't have changes.
I better give me. I will get hook up.
They get it. You say you won't buy it.
I say I'm having hookups.
I know grab.
I am not your mate. I am a graduate. You be mumu. I know what I'm saying. Just give me water there.
They say hookup. Go at our water, you go see hookups there. Now only pure water they say, and now waiting I go bring for you. They hear me.
I thought he said he's a philanthropist and he studied English language.
Hello. Just imagine, how did hiccups turn to hookup?
And that shall never
he had
end.
the audacity to stop us. Imagine.
Okay, let's be going to hookup man.
Guy, for my hand. Hookup.
He shock you.
Do that like.
Oga, I know to know English, but I know say the correct one na hiccup, no be hookup.
But you supposed give me. You don't say I did with girls.
Oga, you don't know anything. They tell them say you be philanthropist. What you talk am again?
Philanthropy.
It is smoky book.
Imagine philanthropist like you know anything.
I know. Let me come by.
Abeg, come on, yeah.